how to foil tape, and this is cut at an angle right now, and I like to start with it as straight across as possible, and so I'm going to get some scissors and cut that off. When I measure for that piece, I take it and I start, and then I go around, do it like that, and then I mark it with my thumb, and then I fold it over, and so that is the exact measurement of the piece, and then I just add a little extra, and then cut it off to the best of my abilities, centered, so that it's even. And then I push the foil down over the pieces of glass, and you'll be able to see that it's now centered in between. And then I start positioning the foil around the piece, and I smooth the foil down, and I start wrapping, and then I continue doing that and positioning the foil, centering it around the piece, and taking it, and you can easily get it, you can easily pull it back up and get it so that it's centered around the piece, so that you're going to have it so that it's even around.